Hello mga ka-sunshine! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss and share my experience about filing my report of marriage here in US. So every consulate has different requirements. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa website ng Republic of the Philippines, Philippine Consulate General based in Chicago, USA. So ano ba ang report of marriage? Reporting the marriage of a Filipino national abroad is the recording of such vital event with the Philippines Statistic Authority through the consulate. The Consulate General only accept marriage certificates issued by the following states: Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, North Dakota, Ohio, South Dakota, and Wisconsin. Sila yung mga state na pwedeng mag-file sa Chicago. Ayan. Send the complete requirements only by mail. No walk-ins. Incomplete requirements will be proceed and will be returned to the sender. Additional requirements may be requested. So, ayan. Tapos, andito nga yung forms na pipil-upan nyo. Ito din yung affidavit of delay registration. Dito tayo sa report of marriage na form. So, ayan yung form na yan. Yung pipil-upan nyo. Ayan siya. Siguro, ibahin ko na lang yung tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-fill up sa form na ito. Ibang video na lang para hindi tayo tumagal. So ayan yung forms na yan. Ayan yun. Yung form. Tapos sabi nga din pala dito, ito yung mga requirements nga pala, no? Report of marriage requirements. Request signed by the parties. Please indicate your contact details, mobile, and email address. Kumbaga ito yung cover letter. Second, for originals of report of marriage, yung forms dapat original or typewritten, signed by both husband and wife, and notarized by local notary public. Kung may bank kayo dito sa US, yun, libre doon. Libre din sa library. Ayan. Tapos, kung sa magpapanotary kayo sa, for example, sa UPS, I think may bayad na. Kaya mas mainam na kung may bangko kayo dito, doon na lang kayo magpa-notary. Third, one original certified true copy ng marriage certificate. Also, 4 copies. 4 copies nito. Tapos, county clerk's office original. Yun nga, yung certified true copy will be returned. Number 4, 4 copies each of both spouses' passport database. 4 copies of proof of Philippine citizenship of both either spouse as appropriate, such as permanent residency, valid visa, work permit, dual citizen certificate, or U.S. naturalization certificate of the spouses if they are now American citizen. Meron na ako niyan. So, ayan na yung in-indicate ko dyan, 4 copies. Next, 4 copies each both spouses' birth certificates. Pero in-include ko na rin dito yung original copy namin kasi babalik din naman yan. Kasama ng original copy ng marriage certificate. So, it's okay. Next, 2 original and 2 copies of notarized by local notary affidavit of delayed registration. Kung delayed nga kayo nag-register ng marriage ninyo, more than a year, kailangan nyo yan. Affidavit of delayed. Number 8, send the above mentioned requirements by mail of the Philippine Consulate General. Ayan yung address. kung yun nga kasama kayo dun sa state na yun, yan yung magiging address na pagsasendan nyo. Include a self-addressed return envelope with appropriate stamps for express or priority mail with tracking numbers via US portals, yun nga, UPS, with prepaid mail envelope from private courier of choice except FedEx, and non-refundable processing fee of $25. It should be money order payable to Philippine Consulate General. Personal checks and credit cards are not accepted. Pumunta lang kayo sa bangko nyo, mag over the counter kayo, tapos sasabihin nyo lang doon sa teller na yun nga may money order payable to Philippine Consulate General, tapos gagawan na kayo ng sariling cheque niyan na $25. Tapos siguro may charge lang na $5. So okay lang 'yon. And then yun nga, kung may mga related inquiries, email lang kayo doon sa kanilang email address. This one. May additional requirements. The spouse has been previously married in the Philippines. Ayan. So, hindi naman married yung asawa ko before. So, hindi na kami nag-file niyaan. If the Filipino spouse has previous marriage in the US and divorce initiated by foreign spouse, 1 original or CTC and 4 copies of judicial recognition of degree of divorce issued in the Philippines, original CTC will be returned. If the Filipino spouse who is dual citizen has previous marriage in the US with a Filipino and divorce, 4 photocopies of parties' naturalization certificate as proof that she or he was a US citizen at the time of the divorce, and the original certificate of no marriage record sent no more from the Philippine Statistic Authority or National Statistics Office. Original will be returned. If a spouse who is national has previous marriage and divorce, 1 photocopy parties divorce document. If a spouse, widow or widower, 4 photocopies of both the marriage certificate and that certificate of the spouse. So ayan, kung belong kayo dito, kailangan nyong i-comply yan. Tapos, yung additional guidelines, only marriage certificate from the following state are accepted by the consulate. So, yun nga yung kanina na mga state na binanggit ko. Consular officer reserve the right to require additional proof of documents from applicant. So, in case incomplete requirements will be processed and may be returned to the sender. So, ito nga kung delayed kayo nag-file ng report of marriage, kailangan nyo ng affidavit of delayed kailangan nyo ng affidavit for delay registration of marriage, birth, death, yan. So, kailangan nyo lang fill upan yan and then panotarize. So, ayan. Balik na tayo. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyong pag-report of marriage. Sana may natutunan kayo. And please comment down below kung may mga questions, kung naguguluhan, comment lang kayo. And ito nga pala yung video kung paano ko final yung papers ko para may idea kayo. So, ayan, nandito na kami para i-send ang papers.
Oh, you scan prepaid label, services. I spell it right.
Yeah, we're done sending our stuff. I mean, my documents
For the report of marriage.
for a mark of marriage. Here you post office. There you
Yep.
go.
US Post Office.